Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I now have the ability to increase my comfort level anytime, anywhere, thanks to this TravelEase memory foam cushion. I absolutely love the feel of the material on the covering of this cushion. It has this really touchably soft coziness. A really simple but also very convenient added feature to the cover is a sewn-in handle. This handle and the fact that this cushion is extremely lightweight means that I can take it with me just about anywhere. I find the thickness of the cushion to be just perfect, and the density is just right so that I can feel comfortable and supported. I have really appreciated this cushion for backseat car rides because we live in an area where the roads are very, very bumpy. I love to take it outdoors with me. It has been great for adding comfort to our camping chairs, and I also love taking it to the beach or anywhere where I want to go and watch the sunset. If it's a little bit chilly outside, or maybe I'm sitting on a cold surface like beach rocks, this cushion is great for insulating me against the cold. There are really so many situations and places where I can envision myself being really happy to have this cushion, and that's my point of view.